Welcome to this presentation on artificial intelligence, or AI. Understanding the technology shaping the future. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, understanding language, and solving complex problems. There are different categories of AI. Narrow AI is the most common today and focuses on solving specific problems such as voice recognition or recommendation systems. General AI would be able to perform any intellectual task a human can. Superintelligent AI is a hypothetical form of AI that would surpass human intelligence in all areas. Several technologies make AI possible. Machine learning allows systems to learn patterns from data. Deep learning uses multi-layer neural networks to solve complex tasks. Natural language processing enables computers to understand and generate human language. Computer vision helps machines interpret visual data, such as images and videos. Robotics combines AI with physical machines capable of interacting with the environment. AI is already integrated into many technologies we use daily. Voice assistants, such as digital home assistants, use AI to understand speech. Streaming platforms use recommendation algorithms to suggest content. Self-driving vehicle technology relies heavily on AI systems. Facial recognition systems and customer service chatbots are also powered by AI. AI offers many benefits across different industries. It can improve and automate repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. Improve efficiency and productivity. Analyze large data sets quickly, which is especially valuable in fields like healthcare and finance. Support medical discoveries. Enhance personalization in services such as tailored recommendations on online platforms. Despite its benefits, AI also raises important challenges. Automation may affect certain job sectors. AI systems can unintentionally reproduce bias present in training data. Privacy concerns arise because many AI systems rely on large data sets that may contain personal information, causing security risk. Ensuring responsible development and regulation is therefore essential. Looking ahead, AI is expected to play a significant role in shaping the future. It may help improve healthcare diagnostics, personalize education, and support climate research. Advanced transportation systems and collaborative AI tools may also transform industries. The goal is to create systems that work alongside humans rather than replace them. To summarize, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that focuses on building systems capable of performing intelligent tasks. Technologies like machine learning and deep learning power many modern AI systems. AI is already transforming industries, but it must be developed responsibly to ensure fairness, safety, and trust. To conclude the presentation, consider these discussion questions. How might AI influence your career field? What ethical concerns should governments and organizations address as AI continues to evolve? And finally, do you believe AI will eventually reach human-level intelligence?